Okay, here is a 2-scale 3D rendering of the space. Face frame that would be scribed to this left wall, and the style on the face frame would cover up the studs that we would provide and install to give this right side some rigidity. 2 doors. This is an 80-inch tall door. The cart is 78 inches, and we need to fine-tune this just to make sure that all clears. And these 2 doors would just open up to the motor and housing if you ever needed to get in there. So these are flush inset doors, meaning the face of the doors is flush with the face of the cabinet. This right side is the big green panel, 2 panels, 1 top, 1 bottom, an 1/8-inch seam behind the face frame, and an 1/8-inch seam here because of the big height. We just can't get a panel that large. And then we need to put cleating to the ceiling up here, which we would use to secure the face frame and then attach the soffit, the trim piece that sits right above the cabinet, because we're about 2.5 inches short of the ceiling. So taking that same idea, and this is all painted green, same door styles as the laundry room. So taking that same idea and just pushing it straight down. 2 large doors. This space is used up by the floor joists. And then that plywood door material would be wrap this whole thing, make those doors out of that plywood. And then we would just make some simple stud walls left and right, and then take a closer look at the back, because there is some framework back there, and wrap this whole thing in that plywood material. The pantry, just a khaki colored plastic laminate. This one's 16 inches deep. These are 12, so you have 29 inches in between this space. One of these would be this would be a fixed shelf. These 2 would be fixed, and then the remaining are adjustable. And this plastic laminate, we could find one that's really close to that paint color, and 96 inches tall. From the floor to the top is 96 inches. But that plastic laminate would be a good product, tough, and wouldn't scar up and turn black over time with use. So let me know what you guys think of this. Thank you.